Hi, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all educators out there. My name is Rashidan bin Bakri. Today I would like to share with you how to gamify quiz into interesting quiz using Quizizz.
Yay!
So let's get started. First, type Quizizz in Google search. Click Quizizz, free quizzes for every student. Then it will direct you to Quizizz website. So this is the Quizizz website. So after that, click get started button here, and then it will ask you to sign up using Google account or using another email. So for example, we sign up using Google account. Click here, and then click our Gmail account. For example, this is my Gmail account. After that, it will direct you to Quizizz website. In this Quizizz, there's a lot of features such as create a new quiz, find a quiz, my quizzes, a report, classes, collection, and memes. However, in this tutorial, I will just show you how to create a quiz using Quizizz. Now, let us learn how to create quiz using Quizizz. So first, click create a new quiz here, and then it will require you to fill up the quiz name and choose relevant subject. So for example, if you are teaching mathematics, so you can name that quiz math and then choose relevant subject, for example mathematics. Since I am a Takaful lecturer, so I will name this quiz, for example, medical Takaful. And then I will choose relevant subject for this medical Takaful is arts. And then click next button here. So this is the quiz editor. In this quiz editor, there are 5 variations of quizzes we can create. The first one is multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, full and open-ended. And if you see at the right side here, in quiz quality score, in order for us to get the quiz quality score 10 out of 10, so we have to fulfill all the requirements. So the first requirement is we have fulfilled it. Pick a relevant quiz name, and the second one is add a quiz image, and the third one is add grades, and the fourth one is add at least 4 questions. Okay, let us create 4 questions. Okay, for example, if you want to make a quiz in multiple choice, so just click multiple choice here, and then it will ask you to write your question here and your answers. Okay, so we go to our Takaful quiz. For example, this is my Takaful quiz. Okay, so all we need to do is just copy and paste. Okay, so for example, this is my first question. Just copy and paste it here. And then we copy all the answers here. Copy, paste. Okay, so we already copy and paste the question and the answers, and then we have to choose the right answer. So for example, the right answer for this question is family Takaful, and then we can choose the time allotted to solve this question. So it's depend of the level of the question, the level of difficulties of the question. So for example, I choose this time for answer this question is 20 seconds. So it's depend on the level of difficulties of your question for your student to answer this question. And then click button save here. And yeah, we managed to create our one question here. Okay, so in order to create another question, so you can choose another variation of quiz here. Either you want to make a checkbox, fill in the blank, full, or open-ended. Okay, after we manage to create at least 4 questions, so we go to add quiz image here, and then we choose image for this quiz. For example, I choose this image, right? And then select language, English. So and then select grade. So this question is made for university level. And then who can see this quiz? So you can choose who can see this quiz, either public or private. So I choose public here, and then click save button. Now you see that the quiz quality score is become 10 out of 10. After that, you click done button here. If you want to test the quiz that you have created in terms of content and accuracy, you can click button practice here, and then click button play, and then click play quizzes. And this is how Quizizz change our quiz into interesting and engaging quiz. If you are satisfied with your quiz, then you can ask your student to answer the quiz by click button play live, or you can give them that quiz as a homework by clicking button assign as homework. Well, that is all for me. I hope you can create your own quiz by using this platform, as it will increase student motivation and engagement between them. Hope to see you in another sharing session. Thank you.